Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make paper boat, but its name is paper canoe. Canoe, as you can see, in water somewhere. So I'll tell you how to make it. Guys, first of all, take this line over here and line up on this line over there. And crease it. Now guys, what to do is take both these lines and line up in both of them into middle line like this. Guys, basically I'm using half of A4 sheet. Okay guys, now what to do is take this point and line up, take this line and line up in like that, line up on this line in the middle one. So guys, I'll show you how. Take this point and take it like that and fold it. Guys, fold all the points like this, from here also, and also from here. Guys, so the paper will look like this. Now what to do is take this line and line up in the middle line also. Now take this line and line up in the middle. Crease it. Now take this line, line up in the middle. Now take this line and line up in the middle. So your paper will look like this. Guys, next is take this line and line up in the middle like this. Guys, now take this line and line up in the middle. So your paper will look like this. Now guys, here hardest step has arrived. So now open these. Now do it upside down. Like fold it upside down. Like this. So your board will look like this. Now what to do is fold the board from the sides. Like this. Like this. Fold like this and like this. So guys, here it is, your paper wallet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. So like and subscribe to my channel if you want easy tutorials of origami to impress your friends, your families, your brothers and sisters. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.